I do get calls from digital marketing agencies and freelancers saying that they are doing digital marketing and they'll be able to help me. I just ask them a question, what do you understand by marketing? और believe कीजिए 99% लोगों को पता ही नहीं मार्केटिंग है क्या, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग क्या करेंगे. And this is where I come across business owners talking to me that digital marketing is not helping them. Why it's not helping you? Reason being, because you are not able to get your real customers, and the agencies or the freelancers which are working for you, they don't understand the real marketing of doing things. So what they do is they'll tell you that I'll be doing number of posts and some videos, some reels, and that's it. When it comes to the numbers and the results, they are all blank. So what I'm telling you is if you are going to hire a digital marketing agency, please do understand that these people should understand what marketing is, and then they'll be able to do what you want to do. So I'm inviting you to book a call with me in order to understand what your digital footprint is and how digital marketing is going to help you out. So book a call, click here, and we are going to help you out through one-on-one conversation of your requirements and assessing, advising, and then taking you forward. Click here and book the call.